Princess of Trishali. Maya Dhananjay. Being blessed with the boon of divinity as the daughter of Natya Saraswati Srimati Shubha Dhananjay, Maya has been into the sacred dance form of Bharatanatyam since her birth. She used to gesticulate hasta mudras with her delicate tiny palms. Being in the ambience of dance and music all day, she mastered all the 52 hasta mudras by the age of 3.
This is in fact a boon of divinity, and I can say that it is more a great responsibility on my shoulders, being the second generation, to pass on this art and culture to the younger generations of our country. And it is difficult and it is challenging for me because I have to be a daughter and a student at the same time.
Her first stage appearance as the little baby Krishna, along with her mother and guru Srimati Shubha Dhananjay, in the mythological ballet Kanmani Krishna won her great appreciation. Even the weight of the bells on her tiny feet couldn't stop her from expressing her passion for dance.
I was born into a family of classical dancers, and my environment was filled with classical dance and music for me the entire day as a child.
Her family has always been a great support system. Since the age of 4, she has been a regular performer, accompanying her mother in most of her performances.
There were classes all around the week for mom, and she used to take classes from from morning to night for many of her senior students. Even though she had a fixed time for the class, but the students would be so interested and so involved that they continue on for a longer time. So it used to be my playtime, and there was nobody else for me to play anything else other than dance.
Being immensely dedicated in learning 2 classical dance forms, Bharatanatyam and Kathak, from her mother Shubha Dhananjay, Maya has also learnt Odissi from Guru Sri Sudarshan Saho with great interest.
Looking at mom, looking at my mother, trying to balance between both and being so wonderful at it, I was more than inspired, and I was always eager to learn the second classical dance form, that was Kathak. Kathak and Bharatanatyam has very different styles, northern and southern styles involved. So, but going from Bharatanatyam to Odissi and Bharatanatyam to Kathak to Odissi was my choice, was my interest, and I was pretty mature enough to understand the nuances of the different styles, and I had a lot of interest to learn Odissi, and I love to bring in the styles of each of these dances within me.
She performed her Ranga Pravesha in the year 2008 with grace and devotion towards the art form. Trained in different styles of Indian classical dance forms, Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Odissi, she has skillfully mastered the prime attributes of dance like rhythm, music and expressions. She performs all the 3 classical dance forms with equal ease and charm. is well trained in playing Natuvangam and accompanies her mother with all the classical recitals during the events. By the grace of divine and her guru, she is a gifted choreographer. She creates a unique voice and style in Bharatanatyam.
So, if we have to talk about what goes on in our mind while choreographing a new creative piece, it is always a thing that comes up at the moment. Once we think about a moment for a particular music, it sticks on to it because we flow with the music. So, the main key point to choreograph anything new in classical dance is to first stick to the traditionality of the pure classical dance style.
As a choreographer, she devotes time in teaching the new generation of enthusiast dancers. She is passionate about teaching the art forms and has been widely appreciated for her innovative choreographies. She has traveled across India and abroad at various prestigious platforms like International Festival at Bali, Indonesia, China, Akka, Association of Karnataka Kutas of America, California, and in many states of USA.
Receivers, the response from the audience side matters a lot. People are there that are promoting art and culture in other countries. They have they're very serious about it, and they are very deeply rooted with our culture. Hats off to them for that. And the performance is definitely even more nurturing for us when we have such art connoisseurs present in the venue and appreciating our performance.
She can create an exceptional natyam with her skill, geometric aptness, grace, and musical sense in all her performances.
The power of memory. I can say that the memory that I've gained from dancing since my childhood, I have applied it in my studies and wherever possible. So in school or college, I've never had an issue that okay, I'll have to sit and study and I've been tensed for my exams.
She has been fortunate to have inherited Perani Nritya from her mother and guru Srimati Shubha Dhananjay. Perani is a very rare ancient and traditional piece of Bharatanatyam, wherein the dancer balances herself on a decorated and inverted mud pot and performs. Maya has learned this tradition of Bharatanatyam with sincerity and dedication.
There is some amount of fitness that they should gain before they start dancing. So, like if they want to take up dancing seriously, there is some amount of fitness that they have to maintain every day. Otherwise, if it's just the love of the art, they dance as itself will provide them fitness, but it is important for them to make sure they maintain the body and health, take care of themselves while they're pursuing this love for art.
Recognition in the form of achievements, awards, scholarships, prizes, titles for Maya Dhananjay, apart from praise and appreciation from press, won the adoration of art critics and showered her with appreciations. Awards and titles: Natyashri, Nrityashri, Nritya Niranjani, Karnataka Nrityashri, Arulu Mallige, Natya Veda Award, Nritya Vilasini, Aradhana Samman, and recently received the Kala Yogi Award from the Youth Writers and Artists Guild.
Main base route that I've got is through dance. Kept me going on for a long time in studies also, be it engineering or MBA.
Her dancing has been described as vibrant, expressive, and filled with the spirit of joy.
My tiny advice to them would be to be dedicated and work hard. Of course, it is a challenge for everybody in this era where everything happens so quick and fast. For any dancer to grow in an art and to grow as a respected artist in a particular field, any art, they have to be dedicated. They have to work hard, and most importantly, they have to be thankful for their guru, their parents, and whoever has helped them to grow along the way. And that would be my biggest advice to them, to be dedicated and to be sincere to all their elders.
How a dancer realizes her dreams through the eyes of the Lord Nataraja Maya, with her keen ability to understand and imbibe the nuances of this beautiful art form, has been the inspiration to many of the dance lovers. The timing of movement, precision, and liveliness of her footwork in her recitals has made her a very beautiful Bharatanatyam dancer. Her keen interest and love for dance mesmerize the art lovers. With her passion, focus, and rigorous training, she is acclaimed as one of the brightest talents in her generation. She is extremely dedicated and one among the promising dancers of our state. We, the team of Musearts, wish her a very bright future and best wishes for all her endeavors.
Mridula Akka has been a very good student to my mother, and though she had a small break, this love for art and culture has not kept her away from the field. She is working so much in this field for the benefit of others, and I'm really grateful for a person like her who is working towards the art and culture to promote it all around. And it's also a great platform for upcoming artists, and I would really like to congratulate her on this and wish her all the best for the future. Thank you. Namaste.
To know more about art and artists, please like, share, and subscribe to Musearts on Facebook and YouTube channel. And get the notification as soon as we upload. Do follow us on Instagram for more updates. If you are an artist, reach us out. Talk on art, one platform, many opportunities. My name is Mridula. We'll be back with another great artist very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.